tap water feels like liquid bleach drying out your skin every time when you have a bath, then this might just be the solution. This is a 17 stage, that's right, 17 stage filter that you attach to your faucets, and it's supposedly supposed to make it so that it turns your regular bath time into a spa-like experience. Now, I don't have any high-tech equipment to be able to test to see the efficacy of the actual filterization, but what I will be doing is attaching this to my faucets and doing a tactile sensation test to see whether or not I think that it feels any different, a taste test for my tap water. I have very hard water and I have a very distinctive everything, just feel and taste to it. So I'm very interested to see if this is going to work. I do want to say that the company sent me this in exchange for a review, so I just want to get that over with. Let's get into it. Before we get this thing wet, I want to show you what's included and what you do with these pieces. You've got two different size handles, a long one, a short one, and then you have this right here that just connects to the top, and this is going to help direct the flow of water from the faucet directly in there. And it is worth noting that you get this additional securement strap just if you need it. I'm also going to say that as soon as you have these attached in there, they are incredibly strong, so you can sleep at night knowing they're not going to fall off, because I had a heck of a time taking it off right before I started filming. The cartridge lifespan on this is going to be about 7,000 to 8,000 gallons, or that equates to about 6 months of use for a regular family. It has infusions of vitamin C, vitamin E, and some essential minerals. It is BPA free, and literally you can see it just installs in about 30 seconds. The thing that might be a deal breaker for some people is, look at my example. I've got this, and it doesn't matter if I use the large one or the smaller one. If I try to put this on the faucet in my kitchen, well, it doesn't quite work out. The place that I would have to have it where it actually holds, it's obviously not going to be doing anything for me in that case. So that's going to be something that you're going to want to be mindful of, because this isn't going to fit every single faucet. I showed you examples of it going on my bathroom tub, and it fit on there just fine. But sinks kind of like this, it just doesn't work for this exact reason that I'm showing you. Now, since I wasn't able to actually keep it on there easily, I had to just fill up my glass. So you have to just kind of trust me on this one. But I filled this with the water coming from under the filter and my regular tap water. And let's see how much this seems different. I don't smell anything, so that's probably a good sign. So I can tell it's definitely different, but, you know, it's definitely not up to the same par as I would expect from my RO filter, but I mean, I would never bring it to that standard anyways. I mean, a lot of your filters, when they pass through super fast, you always have to question how much is it really filtering. But once again, I don't have any equipment, so I can't do the efficacy of it. From a tactile sense, it feels pretty similar to the other water. Maybe it's not significantly different. I do notice a difference in the taste, for whatever that's worth, though. So my final verdict would be that I wouldn't trust it for drinking water per se. Like, I mean, it's all right, but I would stick with my RO system. But when it comes to like a bath time, yeah, I mean, there's way more expensive filters on the market that do a whole bunch of other fancy stuff. This is a quick and dirty way to go ahead and make it so maybe you can potentially remove some of the chlorine and other stuff that you might not want on your skin from your bath time. So I can't say anything wrong to that.